Cookie Jar Confession, a short moral story. One rainy afternoon, Emma was home alone while her mom ran errands. On the kitchen counter sat a big glass jar full of her mom's freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. Her mom had said, "Wait until after dinner." But the cookies smelled so good. Emma stared at the jar. Just one, she thought. Carefully, she lifted the lid and took a cookie. It tasted heavenly, so she took another. And another. When her mom returned, she noticed the jar half empty. "Emma, did you take the cookies?" she asked gently. Emma's heart pounded. Part of her wanted to deny it, but she looked into her mom's kind eyes and sighed. "I'm sorry, Mom. I couldn't resist. I ate some." Her mom knelt down and hugged her. "Thank you for telling the truth, sweetie. I'm proud of your honesty. But next time, remember to listen." Emma nodded, relieved. She helped bake a fresh batch to replace what she'd eaten. That evening, the cookies tasted even better, shared together with laughter. Moral: being honest about your mistakes is always better than hiding them. Truth strengthens trust. Thank you for watching.